based on your business need, based on your situation, and based on the problem that you are facing with it.
Yeah. Okay. So I think we have used the word ServiceNow partners so much that it is high time that we actually tell them how to choose the right one, how to really choose the right ServiceNow implementation partner to ease out the process for you, to save the cost, and to also be secure in the longer run when it comes to managed and maintenance services as well. So I'll quickly take you through all of the pointers that you can keep in mind when it comes to choosing the right implementation partner. The first point is industry know-how. Opt for a partner with a solid history of successful implementations of ServiceNow in your sector, showcasing their understanding of industry-specific nuances. So clearly, of course, they need to know your industry. They need to know what solution is right for you, and you will clearly be a little bit lost in the entire journey, but then they should be your guiding force. So if you feel the implementation partner from day one is understanding your use case better, is understanding your problem, and is able to really relate with it, and has previously also worked on such scenarios, then you should definitely go for them. The next is certified professionals. Ensure the partner is an official ServiceNow partner having expertise in relevant technologies. It is very important because there are immense number of IT companies out there who are providing a lot of services, because at the end of the day in service business it is not really difficult to get into. You just need people to get into the business of services. But that is where the whole game, I think, changes for a right implementation to happen or not. You really should go forward with a certified partner, because they will also be able to provide you, or will be able to fight your case against ServiceNow also. If you're not really going with a certified partner, they will not have a say inside the ServiceNow community. So please go with a partner who is certified by ServiceNow itself. That is very important. The third point
So
is,
just to add on to
yeah,
the certified professional, so not only the organization or the partner should be certified, but the people working into it needs to be certified as well. So if you are going and implementing ITSM, you need individuals who are certified on ITSM. If you are working on ITAM, you need individual who are certified on ITAM. So those kind of things, you should kind of make sure. And yep, I think I can take there from here as well a little bit. So technical savvy, partner needs to be technical savvy. Like they need to understand the ins and out of ServiceNow
yes,
and how it can be utilized, what all benefits we get from it, how the things can be linked with it. So technical savvy is something that you would be needing. So they need to understand all the products of ServiceNow, all the offerings of ServiceNow, and not only that, they are capable enough to understand the technological dynamics within your industry, within your ecosystem, so they can actually help you out. And with that, the next point comes in, which is tailoring and integration. If you are identifying the partner who is able to do all of these, the above three mentioned things, they should be able to tailor the solution where they are not doing something, going out of the way, reinventing the wheel. They are utilizing and they are configuring the things which are possible out of the box itself only. And they are able to integrate the things which would be needed in your scenario, integrating it with your business processes, with your existing system, with your existing, integration and other platforms as well. They should be able to do that. Then we have the project management. What good implementation partner is if they don't have a project management, if you are not aware where you are, if you are completed 30%, if you have completed 50%, if the discovery wasn't done right, what good a partner is going to be. So you need a good project management which allows implementation to be successful, starting from the discovery, the planning, and the execution. In the execution itself only, the alignment of the right team at the right moment itself only, not from the implementation partner team side, but from your team side. If it is being implemented for your ITSM, then we will be needing your IT guys. That is something that you need from the partner. Like, you need to tell me when the IT guys from my team need to be available. So if that's not happening, then it's not a good project management. If they are implementing it for your finance, they are not asking you to provide your finance guy at the right time. They are saying, tomorrow we need your finance guy. And you're like, hey, what? How can I bring that guy so quickly? So, those are the things which you need. So project management is also one of them. and then post implementation support. Once the implementation is done, that doesn't mean the things go away over here and there. Like, you sign off, the implementation is done, and the partner, gets the sign off, like, yeah, the implementation done. So yeah, we are done. So it should not be like that. They should be there. They should be connected with you for for a duration at least for 3 months, so that they are taking care of the implementation that you have done for your platform, for you have done for your system. So implementation partner is there to support you in that. They are there to guide you in that. They are there to train you in that. They are there in anything and everything that you are facing with that particular implementation. So you need to ensure that. If that's not happening, then you are not choosing the right partner and you are setting up yourself to fail. So that's just one thing that I would kind of wanted to add.
All
Do you
right.
want to add anything on
Um,
this?
No, I guess these were, pretty much the points that you all need to look into when choosing a right implementation partner. As much as all of this, as much overwhelming, as all of this sound, but actually getting on a call, getting on first discovery or second call helps you understand whether the individual is really interested in solving your problem or not. So, of course, you have to look into each of these points and ask the right questions around their certifications, around the people they have, and around the industry specific knowledge that they also have. Please ask the right questions, and I think you'll be able to understand who is the right implementation partner for you. Additionally, if you do not know where to start from, you can very much get in touch with Syntexa, who is currently a certified ServiceNow consulting and implementation partner, and can very much help you in this journey of implementing ServiceNow into your business and kickstart the whole digital transformation for you and for your business. So definitely, look out for that. I think we are pretty much done. We have covered everything that we wanted to. So a lot of knowledge sharing